going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bass Pro Fishing. Today we're back at it in the axe again, so this time got a little twist on it.
This is how it's gonna work. We're gonna have basically 2 rounds within one challenge. We're gonna have 5 Ozark Trail lures. We're gonna spin the wheel and we're gonna figure out which ones we're gonna choose for the first and second round, and then we're gonna have a whole bunch of soft plastics that we're gonna use in another round.
So we got 5 lures. We're actually gonna knock down to 4 since there's only 2 of us. We're gonna do 2 lures each. We're gonna spin a roulette wheel to see which lure gets knocked off. And then the challenge today is gonna be who can catch fish on the first 2 lures, pretty much. So this is how it's gonna work. So we've got a popper, we've got a crankbait, we've got 2 crankbaits actually, and 2 lipless crankbaits. Not sure how deep they dive, but that's fine. And so we're gonna knock one of them off randomly on a roulette wheel. We're gonna have, you can choose one lure of what you want to fish with, and then once you catch a fish on that lure, then you can go choose another lure. Basically, the winner of the challenge is whoever catches a fish on 2 lures. That's how it's gonna work. So we're gonna see which lure we're gonna knock off. All right, crankbait orange cross. So that's this one right here. So nobody can fish with this crankbait, which, I mean, it's not a huge bummer. So that's fine. So that one's knocked off. So now we're down to a popper, a regular crankbait, and then 2 lipless crankbaits. So how do you want to decide who's going first here?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. All right, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, so Kane gets to choose first.
I'm gonna choose
Okay.
the white rattle.
I'm looking at the rattle trap too. I'm gonna go and go with this because the water is pretty clear, so this more natural blue goo color could work to my advantage here.
All right.
So we're gonna get these rigged up, and we'll see you all in the pond.
Yeah. All right. All right, sounds good. I got a fish. Yep. Yep. I don't know yet. Should be all right. Oh yeah, that ain't bad. Ain't gonna lip him with a crankbait. Got him. Ugh. And a bad one, but I'm on lure number 2 now.
What lure are you choosing next?
I'll have to look at them.
You got the red craw, popper, and that's it.
Yep.
Red craw, popper.
A few moments later.
Hey, look at that. Got him off. That'll be interesting to watch. What?
What are my options again? All right. All right, so based on the fact that I don't have a braid, and hopefully if Caleb catches one, he'll get to use the popper because I'm going to the crankbait. I know that's not the way you release a fish if it's anything other than a crankbait, but the fact that I had that and nothing else to unhook it with, I just went ahead and used the gosh dang it, I used the pliers, just kind of let them swim off. All right, here we go. How deep does it dive? 4 to 6 feet. All right. You go KAYAKS. Blah blah blah. How to tie it. Whatever. All right. Caleb, I opted to the crankbait. Yep. Caleb, having fun there? Yeah. Here, I'll come up.
I was looking at you and I cast it like that and I forgot there's a bridge there.
Smooth. What? If you need me to go over there and stand up, I can do it. Alright, we're gonna go help out Caleb see what's going on.
Was a success for him. He won the hardback challenge. Now we're gonna go to soft plastic challenge. So we got white pearl zoom flukes here. We have zoom finesse worms, watermelon red. Then we've got yum, looks just like cross, little orange green pumpkin cross here for yum. So I'm gonna choose first this time because he chose first last time. I'm gonna choose the finesse worms because I love fishing finesse worms. Now Kate can have the choice between these two.
I choose the cross.
Alright, he's gonna start with cross. But the thing is, for this one, we're gonna do biggest fish wins this challenge. Got probably 20 minutes of solid daylight left. And you can switch between the soft plastic that the other person isn't using. So I'm using these. Caden can switch between the craw and the fluke. If he switches to the fluke, I can use the craw, like vice versa and all that. We both brought one rod and one terminal tackle tray with a Texas rig on it. Well, yeah, you can too. And so we're gonna rig these up, and biggest fish wins. Let's get it. Are you freaking? I just lost one. I just lost one. This game is on. No. No.
It's fighting hard.
No. Dude. I just lost one. The game is freaking on. Oh, that's a solid. That's a solid bass. That's gonna be hard to beat. I told you. What I tell you? I said the cross probably gonna do better than the worm. As we were walking down here, I said the cross probably gonna do better than the worm. Sure enough.
I might switch to the fluke. Give you a good chance.
You can do whatever. Yes, sir.
Caleb just lost his and I just caught this one right here. It's a nice little maybe 1 pounder. Not bad though, but it's on the crawl. And I'm gonna switch over to the fluke now, so that way maybe Caleb can catch one today. Either way, solid fish. Here we go. So I've read that, it's tradition to release the first catch, so I'm just gonna let this little guy swim back to his feet. Be free!
Thank you all for watching another episode of Bass Pro Fishing. If you go ahead and like it, if you want more challenges like this, more like Walmart cheap lure. See you for the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you all in the next one.